Hi everyone, here we've got a GIGASET GS190 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to make sure that we are on the video mode. So simply tap on the video right next to it, and since you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you've changed the mode and you're currently in the video mode. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see on the third position we've got the video quality, so let's tap on it. And here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got FHD option applied, because this option is marked, and we can set either HD, VGA or CIF. So obviously it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. I highly recommend to leave this one because this is the best possible quality, but if you'd like to change, just tap on the option you'd like to set. So I will pick, for example, HD, and as you can see it is immediately changed. It is notified right here, and after entering you can see that this option is marked, so it means that it has been successfully applied, and from now on your device will use the chosen quality and record videos using it. So actually that's all. This is how to change video quality in your GIGASET GS190. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.